Want to share your Ring camera feed with family, friends, or neighbors? Sharing allows others to view live feeds, recorded videos, and receive alerts, all without needing their own Ring account. Remember, security and privacy are key, so we'll cover best practices to ensure safe sharing. First, open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Select the specific camera you want to share from your dashboard. Tap Settings, then navigate to Shared Users. Here, you can add a new user by entering their email address or phone number. The latest app version 5.0 as of mid-2025 also supports sharing via QR codes. Ensure the person you share with has two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Ring offers different levels of access when sharing camera access. Full access grants the shared user complete control, including viewing live feeds, recorded videos, receiving motion alerts, and even controlling the device settings. Live view only restricts access to just the live camera feed. Users cannot see recordings, receive alerts, or control device settings. Choose the permission level carefully based on who you're sharing with and why. Guest mode is available for short-term access up to 7 days. Ring offers advanced sharing features for more flexible camera access. Guest mode provides temporary access, perfect for visitors or service providers who need short-term camera viewing. Location-based access automatically grants permissions based on GPS location, making it ideal for family members who come and go. Shared family accounts simplify management across multiple household cameras and users. Remember that all sharing should comply with local surveillance laws, particularly when recording public spaces. You retain full control over who has access to your Ring camera. To revoke access, select the user from the Shared Users list. Simply choose the Remove User option to revoke their access immediately. Regularly audit your shared users to ensure only authorized individuals have access. Keeping a clear log of who has access and when changes were made is crucial for security. Prioritize privacy by enabling advanced sharing settings in the Ring app. These controls allow you to customize who can access your camera footage and how. Your Ring camera footage remains encrypted at all times, protecting it from unauthorized access even during transmission. Shared users must access your footage through their own Ring app login, adding an extra layer of security and accountability. Always ensure that shared users understand and agree to your privacy expectations before granting access to your camera footage. Consider using watermarks on shared videos to deter unauthorized distribution. This feature was added following a 2023 lawsuit involving leaked private footage. When troubleshooting common sharing issues with Ring cameras, start by verifying that the shared user has accepted the invitation and has a Ring account with two-factor authentication enabled. This is often the first step to resolve access problems. Next, check the user's permission level to ensure they have the necessary access rights. Different permission levels can restrict what a shared user can do. Network connectivity issues can also block access. Make sure both the camera and the user's device are connected to a stable network. If problems persist, try restarting the Ring device and the user's app. This simple step can often fix temporary glitches. For more in-depth troubleshooting options, refer to the Ring support website, where you can find detailed guides and contact support if needed. Ring camera sharing is evolving rapidly with greater integration of AI. This includes automatic sharing based on recognized faces, where the system can identify individuals and grant access accordingly. Future trends include blockchain-like verification for shared access logs. This technology creates secure, tamper-proof records of who accessed what footage, building greater trust in the sharing system. There's potential for decentralized sharing options, where users host their footage on personal servers instead of cloud services. This addresses concerns about data monetization by giving individuals control over their data storage. By 2030, shared access features are projected to drive a significant portion of smart home revenue, with experts estimating around 30% growth in this area.